Two men were gunned down and another in Gregory Park, St. Catherine on Saturday night. The deceased has been identified as Cedric Crooks, 46, also known as Gungu, and 47-year-old Michael Manley, also known as Bada Bada, both of Gregory Park addresses. Reports are that 3 men were at a bar in the area when they were pounced upon by a lone gunman who opened fire at them. Crooks and Manley reportedly both received gunshots to the head. The other man was shot in the chest. The suspect escaped in the area on foot. The police were summoned and the men were taken to hospital where Crooks and Manley were pronounced dead. The other man was admitted in serious but stable condition. The police have not yet released a motive for the killing. Senior Superintendent Christopher Phillips said lawmen have maintained a strong presence in the area and are disappointed that this incident has occurred. A man who was freed of criminal charges in the recent Wandon Klangsbang gang trial was shot and killed by the police on Saturday on Winter Pen Road in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. He is Khalifa Williams, otherwise called Baba. Williams, who had been in custody since 2017, was on trial for being part of a criminal organization. He was acquitted in March due to insufficient evidence. Preliminary reports are that Williams was fatally shot during a confrontation with the police. He is the second acquitted defendant to be cut down by the police. Another man who was free during the gang trial, Damain Elliston, was also fatally shot during an alleged confrontation in September. That incident occurred at Bogwalk Gorge in St. Catherine. The St. James Police have launched an investigation into the cause of a crash that claimed the life of a man in Albion, Montego Bay on Saturday morning. The deceased has been identified as Leon Lewis, a bartender of a St. James address. According to reports, about 6 a.m., Lewis was traveling in a Toyota Vitz motor car along the Albion Main Road when it collided with a Toyota Axio motor car. The individuals traveling in both vehicles sustained injuries and were rushed to hospital for treatment. Lewis later succumbed to his injuries while the others were admitted in serious condition. 2 people are reportedly dead as a result of injuries they sustained during a 3-vehicle collision on the Braco Main Road in Trelawney on Saturday afternoon. The identities of the deceased have not been released by the police. The accident caused traffic to back up for some distance along the roadway.